Okay, so it's pretty early in the morning, and I just wanted to say if you're going through your healing process, try one thing at a time, one trigger thing at a time. So if something really bothers you, attack one thing at a time, one a day. Go through each of the things that you may have experienced in your past and tackle them one at a time, not all at once. I highly recommend you do it a little by little. It's a it's a process, and it's not something you do every single um, it's not something you do all at once, sorry. Not every single day. Yeah, try one thing a day, but it's not something you do all at once. It's kind of like if you quit drinking, quit smoking, and all that stuff all at once. It can actually put your body into shock. So when you're tackling traumas and stuff like that, maybe just choose one event at a time to go through. Do your cleansing, do your baths, your sage, whatever you need to do for you if you're into that. And if not, just don't cling to the emotion, allow it to flow through you. If you gotta cry, you gotta cry. If you gotta take some aggression out or transmute it through something artistic, do so.